In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze layers in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to temporarily hide parts of a drawing without accidentally selecting them, freezing layers is the cleanest way to do it. It keeps your workspace focused and your file running smoothly, especially in complex projects with lots of geometry. Let's start by opening the Layer Properties Manager. In the command line, type Layer and press Enter. This brings up the Layer Properties panel where all your layers are listed along with their settings. You will see columns for things like on or off, lock, color, and the one we need. Freeze now, find the layer you want to hide from view. Move across to the Freeze column for that layer. You'll notice a sun icon there that indicates the layer is currently thawed or active in terms of visibility and processing. Click that sun icon once. It will change to a snowflake, which means the layer is now frozen. Here's what that action does. Freezing makes everything on that layer invisible and unselectable. You won't be able to click those objects by accident. And window selections won't catch them either. This is different from simply turning a layer off. When a layer is off, it's hidden, but freezing goes further by removing it from selection and reducing how much AutoCAD has to process. As a result, freezing is especially helpful for performance in large drawings, while still letting you bring that information back later with a single click. A quick but important detail: you cannot freeze the current active layer if the layer you are working on is the same one you are trying to freeze. AutoCAD will prevent it. Make sure your current layer is set to something else before you click that freeze icon. If you see that your click doesn't take effect, check which layer is active and adjust accordingly. When you are ready to see that layer again, simply return to the Layer Properties Manager. Go back to the Freeze column and click the snowflake to turn it back into the sun icon. The layer will thaw and all its objects will reappear and become selectable as usual. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.